this is exercise video number 17, and for my exercise today I ran 9 miles with a pace of 10 minutes and 30 seconds per mile. And so to relate this to what we're learning in exercise physiology right now, before my exercise I ate a slice of toast with peanut butter, blueberries, and honey on it, and so that obviously has a good amount of carbs, and I did that so that I'd be able to perform glycolysis at the beginning of my run and get my energy from that to be able to sustain that exercise. And so whenever I first started exercising, I was in the PCR system, and then once my phosphocreatine stores depleted, I jumped into glycolysis, and I was able to use that glucose that I got from eating that toast this morning to go through glycolysis to be able to provide my body with ATP in order to sustain the exercise and to do muscle contraction. And so the reason glycolysis happens though is whenever I ate that toast and it was digested throughout my body, so I had blood sugar, and so that glucose was just sitting in my blood and it had to be stored away. And so what happens is insulin takes that glucose to my muscle cells and my liver cells, and insulin, the hormone, binds to insulin receptor substrate 1, and that activates tyrosine kinase, which phosphorylates PI3 kinase, and then a series of steps happens, and then that activates glucose transporter 4, and glucose transporter 4 goes to the cell membrane and opens the pores in order for glucose to enter that cell so that I'm able to store that glucose in order to perform glycolysis whenever I need ATP in order to sustain that exercise, because ATP is used in muscle contraction.